today, friends. Tune in today, friends.
Okay guys, so in order to create the kind of videos you've seen on my channel recently, you need to log into nextifyai with the link in the description. So I'm going to have the link there again, the link I shared the last time. So if you come in here, you're going to see that there are different options here for you. We've got the video ad generator, the talking actors, the static ad generator, ad image generator, and different options you can use. And then we also have um I'll keep it at video ad generator for now. We also have Sora 2, Sora 2 Pro, Kling 2.5. These are different like apps under this, which really makes it very easy and comfortable. And we'll be doing a video that can work for YouTube. So we're going to choose Sora 2 Pro because I've noticed that it gives high quality videos, and the length duration you can get up to 15 seconds. Okay, so we're going to go straight to do content that I can actually share that you'd understand. So you need to give it prompts. Most times you may want to go to ChatGPT to get prompts, but I'm still going to show you a shortcut in case you do not want to go to ChatGPT to get long prompts. So you can go straight to the point and you can type in, the narrator is saying, the narrator is saying, today let's talk about kindness. So we're going to type that. Today let us talk about kindness. As a positive habit. Okay, so I'm going to continue. Most people think kindness is weakness. So this is what I would like to see in the video. So that's what I'm feeding it with. Yet kindness is actually strength. If you can be nice, never forget to be kind. So I'll put it like, if you're able to, be kind, be nice, but never forget to be kind. Okay, so you need to know that you can't feed it with too much information because it gives you 15 seconds at a time. So if you need to do something that has to do with continuity, you have to generate several videos. You need to generate up to 4 videos to get a minute. And if you need something longer than that, you need to do the math to get to the desired length. So we're going to click on generate, and it's going to show you how much credit you're using. And you click on generate. So if you notice, I'm using my mobile phone because that is what I'm able to use at this time. So you're going to give it a few seconds. It should take, give or take, a couple of seconds. Okay, guys, so the video has been generated, so it took a couple of minutes, and I'm just going to go ahead to download it. So you have the option to download it. So you're going to go down, you're going to see download. You're going to also see remix. So you're going to go down, you're going to see download. You're going to also see remix in case what you see is not exactly what you want. Well, I believe that we have what we want. So we're going to go ahead and download it. And starting download. Okay, guys, so we're going to go ahead and watch the video that we downloaded. I haven't seen it yet, so let's go ahead and watch it together.
Let us talk about kindness as a positive habit. Most people think kindness is weakness, yet kindness is actually strength. If you are able to be nice, but never forget to be kind. Today, let us talk about kindness as a positive habit. Most people think kindness is weakness, yet kindness is actually strength. If you are able to be nice, but never forget to be kind. Today, let us talk about.
Okay, so you can see that you should ensure that your prompt isn't too long so that all the content you need to get into the video gets into the video. Well, you can see how exceptional the video is, how clear it is, and how all this information has been generated for you. You do not have to shoot, you do not have to get B-roll from anywhere. It's all imputed by AI for you. Nextify AI is a really cool, um, really cool platform because you don't have to go look for all the apps. You have most of the apps that give you all you want all in one place. That's the thing I love about it. All in one place. That's fantastic. So you should really go ahead and sign up for this if you're thinking of having ads done for people, creating content like this for people. It's something that you could look into using to even do extra stuff for yourself as a side hustle or something close to that. If it's something that you're able to calm yourself down and do, or if you most especially want to use it to create your own content for your videos, this is the best place to come to where you don't have to show your face on your videos. It is a great tool, and it's really something that you should consider signing up for. What's interesting is that you get free credits when you sign up first, and then you can choose what kind of different options you want on the platform. All right, guys, thank you for watching up to this point. And I'm going to be doing another tutorial where I show you how to do shorter videos and a couple of other information you need to know, and encouraging you to probably choose the Pro version or any other version actually that you can afford at the moment, but letting you know why you probably would need to take on maybe a starter and then later a Pro so that you could very much maximize your ability to create and use Nextify to another level. Nextify is a very interesting platform. The first time you may feel very overwhelmed, but I can assure you that it's great innovation. This is AI at its, you know, its what will I say, at its peak. At its peak. I can't wait to show you the next video. So do turn on notifications, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.